Hello, hope you're having a great day. Welcome to music. Today we're going to review our note values that we talked about last week, and then we're going to practice some rests. So let's do a quick review, okay? If I say the beat stays the same, the beat is the steady beat in music, okay? But what goes here, the beat stays the same, but the rhythm changes with the words. The rhythm, that's what we're talking about right now, is rhythm. The short sounds, the long sounds in music that make different rhythms, okay? Rhythms we can sing, rhythms we can play. Let's do a quick review. We learned about this note last week. This is a whole note. I hope you got that before I said it. Whole note. A whole note gets 4 beats. 4 beats. It had 4 bumps. It's a long note. Okay, a long sound. We hold it out. Then we looked at number 2, the half note. The half note. The half note gets 2 beats. 2 beats, has the open circle with a stem. Okay, the half note. Then we looked at the quarter note. Quarter note is the black one colored in, or colored in black. Okay, with a stem, gets 1 beat. Just 1 beat for that quarter note. All right. Then let's look again at those rests. The rest takes up the same amount of space or time as its regular note. So, for example, this is the whole rest. Remember, the hat is the whole way off the head. That's one way to remember it. Whole rest. You rest, or it's silent. No sound, no counting, no numbers. You think in your head, okay, for 4 beats, just like the whole note. So whole note, you play or sing for 4 beats. The whole rest, you rest for 4 beats. All right, and that's on the back of this one here. The whole rest is for 4 beats. All right, the other one, next one we're going to look at is the half note and the half rest. So half and hat make the same first sound. Hat and half. This looks like a hat on your head, okay? The half rest gets 2 beats of silence. 2 beats of silence. So here it is on the Lego, half rest. Okay, gets 2 beats of rest. Then we looked at the quarter note, which gets 1 beat of music. And then we have the quarter rest, and it looks a lot different. It's got a kind of a squiggle to it. Okay, and that means rest or silence for 1 beat. And I put those on yellow here so you can see them really clearly. I'm going to put some rhythms up for you. Okay, so quarter rest is rest or silence for 1 beat. So let's see what some of those might look like. I'm going to take my big Lego, my whole note, and I'm going to put on a measure for you. A measure in music is a marking, a line to a line, the space in between that has the music in it. So for this measure, we're going to have 4 beats in our measure. Remember, that whole note gets 4. We can have 4 bumps. The first 2 are going to make music. So it's going to be a quarter note, and then we're going to rest. Now to practice our rest, we're going to practice with open hands, okay? But no noise. Don't count. Don't say rest, rest. I'm going to whisper it the first time just so you can get that in your inner voice. So use your inner voice on rest. Don't actually make any sound, okay? That's a good habit to get into. So it's going to sound like this. We're going to clap, clap, then rest, rest. Okay, you're gonna think that in your mind. So it sounds like this, it goes. All right, let's try it together. I'll say 1, 2, ready, go. You do it with me, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and stop. All right, I hope you got that one. Let's try another one here. I want you to think about it first. Think about it. Think about what number we're going to count and say. Okay, now I'm going to give you the example and then we'll try it together. So this one we're going to say and clap, number 1. Then we're going to rest. Then we say number 3, because here it comes, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to rest. So it sounds like this. It goes 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay, now you try it with me. I'll say 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, ready, and stop. Good, now, those are the same numbers that we said when we counted a half note. But what's different is the half note, we're holding it out. It lasts longer. So we would clap and hold. 1, and we're making that longer sound. 1, 3. That's different than the quarter note, quarter rest we did. 1, rest, 3, rest. Okay, so watch them again so you're thinking in your mind how that's different. The half note, we clap and hold. 1, 3. But the quarter note, quarter rest, we clap and open and rest. So it sounds like this. 1, 3, rest. Okay, so I just want you to be thinking that that's a different one. Let's do one more together today. Here we go. This one now, we're going to start. Number 1 is going to have a rest or a silence. And then we're going to clap on the numbers 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this one sounds like this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. All right, you try it with me. I'll say 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Ready, and stop. All right, if you clapped on that rest, that's okay. It takes a little bit of practice and a little bit of thinking ahead, watching the music ahead to make sure we don't play or clap or sing on a rest. But you'll get better with time and practice. So let's do a quick review, and then I'm going to give you a link that has some quarter notes and quarter rests you can practice along with. Whole note gets 4 beats. Half note gets 2 beats. Whoops, got them out of order there. The quarter note gets 1 beat. The quarter rest gets 1 beat. The whole rest, the whole way off, gets 4 beats. And the half rest gets 2 beats of silence, 2 beats of rest. See you soon.